talked about the energetic material cesium azide recently, but let's move a few spaces up the alkali metals to talk about sodium azide, because there's a use for it that you're actually probably pretty familiar with. They're moving away from it, but historically sodium azide is what was used inside of airbags to make them inflate. What would happen is an electrical charge would go to the azide, causing it to explode. When it does that, it decomposes into its constituent parts of sodium metal and nitrogen gas. Now, this is toxic, so they had to have other components in there to make it an innocuous gas, because that's the last thing that you want when you're in a car accident is sodium azide exposure. Of course, not every airbag that has ever been manufactured has been activated, so you have to be very careful when you are recycling it. You don't want the azide to accidentally explode, you don't want to accidentally ingest it, and you don't want it to get into the groundwater, because then you're talking about a lot of people who could possibly be exposed to the sodium azide. So there's a lot of emerging science about finding replacements for these energetic azides that are better for the environment, less hazardous to people, and that is what I was working on.